Okay, here when I said I had leftover from yesterday, it was these pizzas, and I know sometimes you just gotta do it. I mean, we have all this like great local, organic, whatever food. Sometimes you need Domino's pepperoni pizza. Anyway, the best deal I could get on that stuff was ordering 3 medium pizzas. So I just went ahead and did it, and then, oh, here's Navina. She's in the video now. She's back from India. So anyway, I ordered them, and then I convinced the girl, right? Check it out. I convinced the girl to give me half-baked cheese pizzas. Yeah, that's the old pepperoni, fine.
Extra protein.
So we have half-baked cheese pizza, and I'm just gonna spice that up. I think we're gonna go, yeah.
What does that mean?
It means it's half-baked. We need to get fully baked here.
It's not baked enough? Is that what
So here we got our Asian, I'm gonna make some Asian pizzas. So we got leeks. I'm gonna break down some of those carrots. We got this super old bok choy that needs to go, and beet stems. I got some Parmesan cheese, of course, star anise. I got Chinese 5-spice, soy sauce, brown rice vinegar, little fish sauce, and red chili flakes, all right? That is just beautiful. All right, and then that old bok choy, I just ripped off some of the outside and looks great. And then here's the hot pan ready for oil. You don't hear that sound? You're not cooking! Beautiful. Oh, I wish you guys could smell this. Star anise, 5-spice, bok choy, carrots, leeks, soy sauce, fish sauce, brown rice vinegar. So good. Got the pizzas ready. Oven is hot, very, very hot at 450 degrees. As hot as it'll go. I'm gonna top this, put some Parmesan on top, and bake it. That looks pretty damn good. But the smoke alarm is going off. Okay, bye-bye. Domino's stir-fry pizza.